Hello students, welcome back to Sant Tukaram National Model School's YouTube channel. Myself, Mr. Abhilash Jadhav, and we are learning about plants and environment. In last few videos, we have learned about the habitat and classification of the plants on the basis of habitat. In that, we have learned the classification of the plants on the basis of habitat. Plants can be classified in two groups. Those groups are terrestrial plants and aquatic plants. Especially in the last part of the video, we have learned only about the classification of aquatic plants, plants which grows in water. These plants can be classified into three groups. Those groups are floating plants, fixed plants and underwater plants. So in today's part of the video, we are going to learn about the classification of the plants on the basis of the food habits, right? In first four parts of the videos, small videos are there. In that, what we have learned, what is meant by habitat and classification of the plants on the basis of habitat. In that, we have learned the plants can be classified in two categories on the basis of the habitat. Those categories are terrestrial plants, aquatic plants. Aquatic plants further classify into three groups. Those are floating plants, fixed plants and underwater plants. Now again we are going to learn about the classification of the plants only, but now this time we are going to learn about the classification of the plants. The base is, the criteria is the food habits of the plants. So on the basis of the food habits, how do these plants can be classified, that we will see in this video. Now you can see the three different types of the plants here in this picture. The first picture is of mango plant. Okay, now this mango plant is a type of a plant which can prepare its own food. The second plant, or cuscuta, is the plant which gets its food and nutrients from the other plants. And the third plant, the pitcher plant, this pitcher plant traps the insects, catch the insects, attract the insects towards it and then it digests. So one plant prepares its own food, second one depends on other plants to get its food and nutrients, third one is the plants which depends on the insects as their food. So what is the classification? Means that as animals we have the different feeding habits. Some animals eat the plants like cows and goats. Some animals, they hunt other animals and they get the flesh of other animals, and they depends on the flesh of other animals like tigers and lions. Some animals are there as like us, humans, bear, they eat both. Sometimes they eat the plant products and sometimes they eat the flesh also. So they are omnivores. So as we have the different feeding habits, the plants also have the different food habits. So as we know, my dear friends, that the food is the fuel of life. As without the fuel we cannot run the vehicle, without the food we as the humans and other living things also, other living organisms also cannot survive, because food gives us energy. This energy our body utilizes it to perform the various everyday activities. So energy is required. The food also help us for the growth. Food also help us to maintain the proper immunity so we can fight the diseases. So food is very vital, very important, one of the basic need which we have. So without food we as the humans cannot live, as like us other living organisms including the plants also, they cannot also survive. Plants also cannot survive without the food. So it is important for us to know from where we get our food. We know that the plants prepare food for us, but it is interesting to know that every plant do not prepare food for itself. Every plant do not prepare the food for itself. Okay, so most of the plants can prepare the food for themselves, but not everyone. So let us see the classification of the plants on the basis of the food habits. Now on the basis of the food habits, plants can be classified into three basic groups, or these plants can be categorized into the three groups. What are those? First one is the autotrophs, autotrophic plants that make their own food, green plants. Second group is of parasitic plants which depend on other plants to get their food. And third group is of insectivorous plants that eat the small insects. So classification of the plants on the basis of food habits is autotrophic plants, parasitic plants, insectivorous plants. These plants also can be called as the carnivorous plants as well. So about each of them we will be learning in detail in upcoming videos. Right now we'll stop here. Thank you so much everyone for joining, and have a great day ahead. We'll see the remaining part of the lesson in the next part of the video. Thank you so much.